ready to build a voice assistant that puts your business on autopilot. Let's dive into building a Retell AI voice agent. Connected to the power of N8n first, you'll need to create a Retell AI account and get your API key. This is the key to unlocking their voice AI. Think of it as your digital voice identity. Within Retell AI, design your voice agent. Consider its personality, its skill set, and what actions it will need to perform. Decide the purpose of the agent, and set up the agent's name and avatar. Now, head over to N8n. This is where the magic of automation happens. Create a new workflow. And the first step is selecting a trigger that will initiate the process and link it to a webhook trigger. Add the Retell AI node to your workflow. This node will act as the bridge between your agent and N8n. You'll need to configure it with your Retell AI API key and specify the voice agent ID you created earlier. Now, you'll need to define the workflow based on the intent of the user's request by selecting and configuring an if node. Configure the parameters of the if functionality. For example, if the intent is sales, direct to the sales team, otherwise to the support team. Add other N8n nodes to accomplish actions within your workflow. This could include sending emails and updating CRM systems. Test your workflow thoroughly. You can test your voice agent through the Retell AI dashboard to make sure it is up and running. Congratulations! You have created and connected a powerful voice agent that does the things you want and can improve your customer interaction while increasing your business profitability.